Okay guys, ini ialah kereta yang sudah pupus tak keluar lagi, Audi R8. Okay, ini datang dengan enjin V10. Tengok, begitu cantik sekali ini. Warna biru yang begitu mengancam sekali. Beautiful, beautiful blue color. This car is no more in production. Okay, the R8 badging has been hung up. We are not sure what Audi will do next, but this car is indeed a collector's item, just like the Bentley Mulsanne. Beautiful, beautiful Audi R8. So let's check out the spec before we do a walk around and review of this car. This blue is really, really striking. Okay. This is a Audi R8 5.2 year 2017. Price with SST is only 880,000. 2017 car, 880,000. Okay, very, very beautiful lah this car. Begitu cantik sekali, tengok. Quattro datang dengan quattro. So boleh tengok dia punya ini finishing. Bawah dia ada splitter carbon fiber. You get a carbon fiber splitter here. Okay, let's check out the side of the car. This is Iron Man's car. Ini kereta Iron Man tau. Dia punya rim memang cantik. Saya suka dia punya rim. Dia punya hood ialah clamshell, clamshell hood. So ini V10, boleh nampak V10. Dia punya rim, this is a beautiful, beautifully fabricated rims. Okay. Apakah size? Saya tengah cari size dia. Sekejap, give me a bit of time as I look for the size. The tire is so slim, I have to sit on the floor to find the size. Okay, I'm really sitting on the floor. I can't get the size. Let's go to the back. Saya dah terduduk. Okay, look at the side. Tengok tepi dia. You get a carbon fiber wing mirror. Okay, the blue is truly exquisite. Look at the blue. If you can see the reflection of the metallic. Okay, and then you get this part. Comes with carbon fiber. And then look at the shoulder, very broad shoulder. Okay, let's check out the size of the tire if I can. Okay, the back tire is 305/30 ZR20 305 30 ZR20. Very, very, rim dia memang menarik lah, very, very cantik. Okay, carbon fiber wing. Okay, wing dia carbon fiber. And then korang suka tengok dia punya engine kan? Nanti saya tunjukkan. Okay, this is a V10 engine. Very nice. You look at this part. Designed to cool down the engine. Your third brake light up there. Typical Audi. And then your R8 badging. This part, what do you get inside? Apa kat dalam? Boleh nampak? Okay, and then you get a carbon fiber diffuser. A very nice LED rear lamps. Okay, so let's get inside. Kita masuk ke dalam kereta dan tengok apakah yang ada kat dalam. Saya tak pernah masuk R8. Jom. Okay, kita cuba You can see the R8 logo here at the fuel cap. Very nice. Okay guys, ini kunci dia, Audi R8 punya kunci Nampak R8 punya emblem. So kita buka, unlock. Oh, kereta Iron Man ni. Saya sekarang Iron Man jangan panggil saya apa-apa, panggil saya Iron Man. Jangan main-main. Okay, buka kereta kat sini Nampak? Okay. First thing you notice is the safety light. Very nice. Okay, let's check out the car. Frameless door, frameless door. And then as you come down, you get some of carbon fiber on your aircon vent. Aircon vent dia kat sini Okay, something different And then here you get your Windows control. This part you get a speaker. This is your door handle. Leather. Semuanya kulit. And then you get more and more speaker here. Very nice. Okay. Ini R8 punya door seal. Okay, kereta nampak macam baru. Okay, dia punya sports pedal kat dalam. Nampak? Dia punya seat, bucket seat, boy. Look at the bucket seat. Oh yo. Look. R8 emboss. Okay, behind the seat what do you get? Belakang seat ada apa? Belakang seat ada jaring, ada speaker Tak ada barang lagi, kosong. Tak boleh letak apa-apa. Okay, ini pemandangan kokpit anda. Oh, ini baru panggil kokpit. Hei, cantik ni. Macam kapal terbang Audi R8. Okay, tak sabar nak masuk. Jom kita masuk. Dia punya seat control unik sikit Tekan bawah ke belakang, tekan atas ke depan The seat control is a bit unique. And then you get your flat bottom steering, perforated steering, leather. You have your pedal shifters at the back. You have your multi-function controls in the front. And then you have your drive select. You have your racing mode, sport exhaust, start stop button, your Audi horn. Okay, this part you get your Audi MMI, you get your electronic power brakes, parking brakes, your radio, your shifter, your sensor, your radar, and then this part. Oh, look at this, it's so unique. Your aircon controls, on, off, rear. The aircon vent is a bit small. Corong aircon dia agak kecil sikit. Tapi ada carbon fiber. Okay, lined by carbon fiber. Quattro badging. This part is kind of like leather, soft. I think it's leather lah. Different type of leather. Here also leather. Okay, this is your Audi. What do we call that? Audi meters. Okay, where is it gone to? Okay. Almost out of fuel. Navigate to the nearest. Okay.
Expect a half-hour call.
Very nice, very good sound system. Sound is very crisp, but it's not B&O. There's no B&O. Okay. This part is carpeted. Very nice, high quality. Okay. Frameless rearview mirror, 2 fingers up. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for your support. Okay, this part is your sun visor. Visor dia, nampak? Different type is push to the front, not to the back. Dia punya visor ke depan tau, bukan ke belakang. Sebab ke belakang tak ada tempat. So ke belakang, kecil je. Sebab dah sampai dah. Ini saja pemandangan anda. Okay. Lampu dia. Hey, this is touchscreen boy. This is like your new HRV. HRV copies this. Okay, bukan HRV yang created copy. Okay, so ini dia mileage kereta berapa? Mileage kereta, saya baru nampak mileage kereta. Okay, saya tutup supaya dia. This mileage, this car is also very low mileage. I saw the mileage but I forgotten how many. Not a lot. Okay, dia punya aircon system daripada sini ke pintu. Pintu saya tunjukkan boleh nampak? The aircon vent is at the door. So this is a totally different system because they have not enough space, so they're using the door. On this side is just normal fabric, just normal fabric, black color, normal fabric. Bucket seat, look at how slim the bucket seat is. Begitu nipis sekali dia punya seat. Okay, ini dia seat dia, Audi R8. Cantik, memang cantik. Belakang CD player, memory card dan SIM. So tak ada tempat dia masukkan kat belakang. So you only have a space for your net to put some of your stuff. You have a bit of space, but the things may just fall off to under the seat here. So this is the back mirror. Ini cermin kat belakang. So itu saja untuk Audi R8 V10. Siapa belum tengok review Corvette C7, pergi tengok. Siapa belum tengok review Corvette Camaro, pergi tengok. Siapa belum tengok review Audi RS5, pergi tengok. Saya semua dah review dah kereta-kereta tu. Okay, so itu saja untuk Audi R8. Ini pula apa? Ini ada dua USB, power socket, auxiliary, boleh letak handphone dan duit sikit. Itu saja. That's all the space you have in this car. This car is just a pure sports car, but this car, I can bet you, is much more comfortable compared to all the other American muscle. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I will try to open the engine to let you take a look at the engine. Okay guys, this is the side of the door. And look at this. It's designed to suck in air for the engine. Dia nak sedutkan angin untuk masuk dalam engine. Di tepi pintu dah, pintu. Memang pandai engine ni. Okay guys, this is the front. This is not the trunk, because engine is at the back. So let's open up and take a look. Okay, this is easy to open. Okay, this is like the 911 concept. Ini macam konsep 911. Dekat depan tak ada engine, so dia tak payah insulasi apa-apa. It's just one space for you to put your bag, your luggage. So dia ada satu bag RS8. Okay, selain daripada itu saja. This is your toolbox. You get a light, and then you can fit probably a cabin bag. That's all. Itu saja, boleh masuk satu cabin and one duffel bag on top. Itu saja. Okay, look at that. So dia punya front buka sampai tepi lah. Clamshell. So itu saja untuk Audi R8. Jumpa lagi. Bye bye.